In 2025, Jacob and Company introduces a new chapter in its legendary Astronomia collection, the Astronomia Solar Dragon, a timepiece where high horology meets mythical artistry. The dragon, a recurring motif for Jacob and Company, now takes form in a more wearable 44mm case, available in 18-karat rose gold or black DLC-coated titanium. Each dragon is sculpted from solid gold in 3 parts, engraved, polished, and hand-painted. The process takes weeks, with artisans perfecting every scale, claw, and flowing detail. Coiled tightly around the Astronomia Solar's movement, the dragon hovers less than half a millimeter from the arms of the caliber, a breathtaking fusion of sculpture and watchmaking, visible from every angle through the domed sapphire crystal and caseband. At the heart of the solar dragon lies a signature Jacob-cut gemstone, 288 facets, radiant in yellow for rose gold editions and uniquely colored for each of the 4 titanium pieces. Inside beats the hand-wound caliber JCAM-42, composed of 296 components. Unlike earlier Astronomia models, this movement remains static to frame the sculpture, while 3 arms extend outward: a 1-minute flying tourbillon, a skeletonized time display, and a magnesium globe completing a full rotation every 60 seconds. The watch is paired with alligator leather straps secured by matching rose gold or titanium buckles. Only 36 rose gold editions will be made, alongside just 4 unique titanium models. The Astronomia Solar Dragon, a masterpiece where myth coils around mechanics, limited only to a select few collectors worldwide. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible timepiece, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in haute horlogerie and luxury design.